one and all present here. It's an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience who has gathered here. I, Smita, welcome you all on behalf of whole RES family to this annual function. Thank you all for giving us your prized time. It is a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Like the great philosopher Soren once said, the function of the prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. I like to call upon Kumari, Deepthi and group to pray for us.
Pavamana, 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 Jagata Prana, Shankarushana, Bhava Bhayaranya, Dahana. ವಿಧ ಭಕುತಿಯ ಕವಕದಿಂಗಲಿ ಕೊಡು ಕವಿ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಪವಮಾನ 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 ಜಗದ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಶಂಕರುಷಣ ಭವ ಭಯಾರಣ್ಯ ದಹನ ಪವನ ಹೇಮ ಕಚ್ಚುಟ ಉಪವೀತ ದರಿಪ ಮಾರುತ ಕಾಮದಿ ವರ್ಗ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನ ನಿಜದೂತ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನ ನಿಜದೂತ ಯಾಮ ಯಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆರಾಧಿಪೆ ಕಾಮಿಪೆಯನಗೆ ನೇಮಿಸಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸುಖ ಸ್ತೋಮದ ಲೋಹಿತ ಪಾಮರಮತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀ ಮಾಡಿಪುದು ಪವಮಾನ 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 ಜಗದ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಶಂಕರುಷಣ ಭವ ಭಯಾರಣ್ಯ ದಹನ ಪವನ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Deepthi and group. We all feel blessed indeed. Now I would like to invite Srimati Hemalata to formally welcome the gathering.
The stage is all set up. Unfold a celebration of vision, a star burst of colors, joy and splendor. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and all the dignitaries present on the dais. We keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things, because curiosity keeps leading us down the path. We, the Ramanashri English School family, are here to greet our honorable chief guest and all present here. We are immensely glad to have Shri H. Ravindra, ex-corporator of BBMP Vijayanagar, and Srimati Madhu Kumari Vagish, the present corporator of BBMP Marenhalli. We have a great sense of admiration and appreciation for your achievements. Certainly your presence amplifies us today and adds more joy and colors to this evening festivity. We extend a warm welcome to you, sir. On behalf of RES family, we welcome you, ma'am. Aim to the sky so that at least you may land at the top of a tree. With all my affable greetings, I cordially welcome our Secretary Madam Srimati Aruna Satish. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Still we have one more eminent personality with us. That's our Administrative Officer, Mr. Devendra Kumar. So I welcome you, sir. And I welcome Mr. Shailesh, sir, the Managing Committee member in his absence. We are delighted to offer a rapturous welcome to our beloved Principal, Shri R. Subramaniam, sir. We welcome you, sir. We also welcome our Chairman, sir, in his absence. We are proud to welcome class topper and all distinction students of academic 2014 and 15. A warm welcome to you children. Education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and parents with the high expectations. Parents, being the first teacher, have a potential to play a vital role. You, dear parents, are like wheels of a progress. We feel deeply cherished to offer a pleasant welcome each one of you. Welcome, dear parents. The dream begins with a teacher who believes in you and leads towards life. Yes, dear teachers, you are mentors, molders, whose consistency, diligence, sincerity, devotion can be visualized in today's performance. We hail and honor your noble struggle and sacrifices. We welcome you to enjoy the harvest of our own labor. We welcome you, teachers. Special words of welcome to the members of a non-teaching staff who play a vital role in the growth of this temple of learning. A fraternal welcome to all the twinkly stars of Ramana Shri School. Once again, we welcome this gathering and wish that today's events leave an idle mark in our memory. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your earnest welcome address. Next, I would like to call upon our respected principal, Mr. R. Subramaniam, a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to present the preamble of the school achievement, the school report.
Confucius, a Chinese teacher and philosopher, said, "The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential, these are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence." I extend a warm welcome to the dignitaries, parents, teachers, the non-teaching staff and the students. I take great pleasure in presenting to you the annual report of our school for the academic year 2015-16. Our vision is to transform children to excellent human beings and thereby build a strong, healthy and peaceful society in the world. Upholding this vision, our school diligently focuses on academic excellences as it is an important yardstick for the students and school's success. We also understand that holistic development is very important for the future of the students, and we look into it with utmost care. I would like to begin with the academic excellence of our students and move on to the other activities in which our students excelled. Academic activities. One can never be overeducated, as learning is a journey and not a destination. The 2014-15 batch of students achieved 96% in the SSLC exams, thereby setting an encouraging path and example for the future students to emulate. The new academic year commenced on 14th May 2015 for class 10 and 21st May for the other classes. The academic coordinators, Srimati Tanuja Kumari for the nursery section, Srimati Mangala Gauri for the primary section, and Srimati Deepa N for high school section, and Gopal Baby for the entire English medium, were appointed for the smooth execution of the academic activities. Regular information on the academic activities was reached to the parents through SMS. Parents-teachers interactions were held on all second Saturdays, keeping the students' welfare in mind. Co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities enrich and broaden students' experiences as an integral part of the curriculum as well as beyond the normal academic day. Elections were held on June 2015 to elect school leaders, house captains, vice captains, class leaders, and sports leaders. The 4 houses, blue, green, red, and yellow, were formed, and each house was given responsibility of being on duty for 2 weeks, and they had to organize interesting inter-house activities for all the other classes. Science and arts clubs. The science and arts clubs were inaugurated in July under the aegis of Kids Do. Science activities were held for students of class 3 to class 10. The students are given kits and they showcase their scientific talent during the science exhibition, which will be held in the school during February 2016. Students were taken to Nandi Hills and some other villages, industrial visit, Devarajaras Medical College, Kolar, and Banerghatta National Park to give them hands-on experience. An art camp was held during the October holidays to explore and bring out their artistic talents. Workshops on coloring, dance, craft, and glass painting saw a healthy participation by students. Discourses in the campus. To help our students have a wide perspective of life, eminent people from different fields were invited to interact with the students. Some of them were: on the occasion of World Environment Day, which was celebrated on 5th June 2015, our guest Mr. S. Devendra Kumar explained to the students the importance of protecting the environment and wildlife through his photographs. The benefits and importance of yoga is well acknowledged throughout the world. On 1st July, our distinguished guest Sri Radhakrishna demonstrated simple asanas in yoga which helped students to overcome common problems such as fear of exams, loss of concentration, stress, and the lack of immunity. The three important attributes necessary for a person to succeed in life are knowledge, skill, and attitude. Attitude is the most important of these, as it holds knowledge and skill together and helps the person to be balanced. On 5th August 2015, Shri Subraya Bhatt trained our students on personality development. On 4th November, Shri Anekal Krishnamurthy Kati, through his program Karnataka Vaibhava, explained the students the glorious past and the achievements of Karnataka state. Health is wealth. A discourse on life processes was held on 5th December. Our guest Shri Guru Shanta NS explained the importance and the functions of different organs of our body. Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, that is RCL, imparts moral education and the values of life to the students through dance, drama, and stories throughout the academic year. I take this opportunity to thank our beloved Secretary Srimati Aruna Satish for facilitating this program. Inter-school competitions. Healthy competitions teach children that competitive toughness is an acquired skill. With this thought, our students participated in various inter-school competitions, showcasing their intellectual and artistic talents and brought laurels to the school. The varied competitions were spell bee, word building, quiz, English conversation, crossword puzzle, debate, essay, rhymes, pick and speak, storytelling, snack art, making greetings cards, rangoli, mehendi, pot painting, clay modeling, and cooking without fire, etc. Sports activities. Steve Jobs said, "I love sport as a metaphor for life." So many life skills are learned in sports, and most competition tips can be applied to any part of life. Sporting activities teach perseverance and excellence. Like Arthur Ashe, American tennis player, said, "You are never really playing an opponent. You are playing yourself, your own highest standards, and when you reach your limits, that is real joy." To inculcate these qualities, many sports activities were encouraged. To strengthen this attitude, yoga classes are conducted on all Wednesdays. It's my pleasure to inform on this occasion that we have opened Scouts and Guides unit in our school this year under the leadership of Mr. Gopal. He has been selected for national level seminar which will be held in Himachal Pradesh in April 2016. Respect for national festivals and world days. National festivals and important days like World Environment Day, Swachh Bharat were celebrated to awaken patriotism and civic responsibilities in the young minds. The NGO Bala Janagraha conducted classes for the senior students to make them aware of the civic responsibilities. Our students participated in the inter-school competition, that is, which was held at city level and got third prize. Refresher programs for teachers. Mahatma Gandhi said, "I have always felt that the true textbook for the pupil is his teacher." Keeping this in mind, our school management believes in enhancing teachers' capabilities by conducting workshops for them. Enlightened teachers are the torch bearers to inspire the students to excel. An orientation program in English, a 2-day workshop by EduCamp, and a 1-day workshop by Orient Black Swan was conducted in May 2015. In November, a 1-day workshop by Exceed and a workshop by EduCamp was conducted. 1-day workshop by Exceed was conducted in December. Having completed a successful year, our endeavor is to set the stage for excellence for the next academic year. We are going to implement Exceed curriculum from nursery to 5th standard from 2016-17. And I'm happy to announce that Ramanashri English Medium is the only school in the entire Vijayanagar to have to implement this Exceed curriculum. We are looking at the transport facility for students. Distribution of quality school bags is on the agenda. The management has decided to institute the Best Teacher Award for 2 teachers, 1 teacher from junior class section and 1 from the senior class section will be chosen. And for the first 6 months, Bharati E from junior class and Manjula SL from senior section have been awarded the Best Teacher Awards. I take this opportunity to thank the management for giving us steadfast support in conducting various activities. It would not have been possible to achieve so many laurels without the support of the teachers, non-teaching staff, parents and students. I end my report with our mission statement. Through stimulating academic study and encouragement of creativity and independent thoughts, RES aims to provide an excellent and distinctive education in all spheres for our students. This will enable each student to find fulfillment during their school life, to feel valued, to be sensitive and tolerant towards others, and ultimately to face the challenges of life with self-confidence. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the report. We all surely feel very dignified now. I would like to call upon Srimati Prabhavati to introduce the guest of honor, Shri H. Ravindra, ex-cooperator BBMP Vijayanagar.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಚ್ ರವೀಂದ್ರರವರನ್ನು ಸಭೆಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲು ಹರ್ಷಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಎಚ್ ರವೀಂದ್ರರವರು ಹೇಮಗಿರಿ ಗೌಡರ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 28, 1963ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರು BA ಪದವೀಧರರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಪರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಗೋಕಾಕ್ ಚಳುವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ರಿಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕೈಗೊಂಡ ಹಲವು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಹೀಗಿವೆ. ಜನತಾದಳದ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಹಾಮಂಡಳಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ರಿಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ